Hi friends, welcome to Sudha Learning Hub. You are with me, Shada Shaurao. Today's session we are going to learn static modifiers in Java programming language. Static. Static is the modifier applicable for methods, variables, and blocks. We can't declare a class with a static, but inner classes can be declared as a static. In the In the case of instance variables, for every object, a separate copy will be created. But in the case of static variables, a single copy will be created at the class level and shared by all objects of that class. See, I can show you one example. I am creating a class T. I am declaring a static variable int x is equal 10 and there is an instance variable into y is equal to 20. Now I am creating an object of class test. This is the t1 dot x is equal to 888 and t1 dot y is equal to 999. Now I am creating a one more object of test, that is the t2. Now I am printing the value of t2 dot x plus and t2 dot y. Now here it prints 888 comma 20. Now Java C test dot Java. Now Java test, it prints 888 20. Why? Because static, in the case of instance variables, for every object a separate copy will be created, but in the case of static variables a single copy will be created at the class level and shared by all objects at of the class. Here the static variable is created and shared to the all the objects. Now instance variables can be erased only from instance area directly, and we can't access from the static area directly. But static variables can be accessed from both instance and static area directly. For example, int x is equal to 20. Static int x is equal to 20. We can access x from instance method and as well as a static method. Now I can show you one example here. For example, see, this is uh, test test in the class. I am declaring a instance variable x is equal 10. I am printing that variable into that instance method. Now it compiles successfully. Now I can show you one more example. This is the test class. It is also, this is a normal method here. This is the static method. Here also, here executed successfully. Java C test dot Java. It executed successfully. But in case of this program, it gives the compile time error. See here, this is a normal method. See, this is the static method. It gives the compile time error. What it gives is, it gives the compile time error. What it is, non-static variable x cannot be referenced from the static constants. System.out.println. See, it gives the error here. Why? Because it is then a static block. We cannot access static block from the instance variable. Now I can show you one more example. This is the class test, I'm creating a static variable int x is equal 10. Now public void method man, I'm accessing the variable from the instance method. This is the instance method. Now it compiles successfully. Now it compiles successfully. I can show you one more example. See here, test is the class. I'm creating a one instance variable. I'm accessing from, sorry, this is the static variable. I am access this variable in the static blocks. It is also compiled successfully. There is no problem here. I can show you one more example. See here, class is the test. I'm creating a int x is equal to 10 and one more variable is static int x is equal to 10. Now I'm compile this program. It gives the compile time error. Was C test.java. It gives compile time error. Why? Because x is already defined in the test. Static int x is equal to 10. It gives the error here. Why? Because x is the variable already defined in the top in int x is equal to 10. That's why it gives the compile time error. I can show you one more example here. Test is the class. I'm creating a one method, that is a method one. I am creating a one more method, that is the static method one. This is the instance method one. This is the static method one. Now I am compiling this code java c test.java. Now it gives the compile time error. Why? Because it gives the compile time error. Why? Because method 1 is already defined. See, it gives the compile time error here. Why? Because the method 1 is already defined here. That why it gives the compile time error. Overloading concept is applicable for the static methods, including main method also. I can show you one more example here. This is the class test. Now I am writing a public static void main of string aux. This is the one more method, public static void main of integer aux. Here method name is same, but the parameters are different. See here it conveys inheritance concept is applicable for the static methods including main method. Hence, while executing child classes, if the child doesn't contains main method, then the parent class main method will be executed. Now I can show you one more example here. See here, inheritance concept is applicable for the static methods including main method. Hence, while executing the child classes, if the child doesn't contains main method, then the parent class main method will be executed. This is the parent class. It contains public static void main method, and this is the child class, it extending from the parent. Now now we are compiling this program by using java c parent dot java and java c child dot java. Now we are running java child. Now it is search from the, now compiler search main method from the child class. Now in the child class main method is not available. Then it is goes to the parent class to search for the main method. Now it is here, it is available. Now the it executed successfully. Parent main method is called. Next, it seems to be overloading. It seems to be overloading concept. It is applicable for the static methods, but it is not overloading. Sorry, it seems to be overriding concept is applicable for the static methods, but it is not overriding. It is method hiding. For the static methods, compulsory implementations should be available, whereas for abstract methods, implementations should be available. Hence, abstract static combinations is